apologize ahead of time, guys, because I haven't done this in a while, and I can't do these in one take anymore like I used to, so the video might be kind of weird. To know that I'm okay, I'm alive, I'm doing good, I'm happy, healthy, and everything. Some of you guys have been subscribed to me for a really long time. I think I've been on this channel for 8 years. I know I haven't uploaded for a year and a half, 2 years maybe, but I owe it to you guys to at least let you know that I'm doing good, and you guys are all doing good as well. There's 2 more reasons, actually. One, I want to give you an update on my car. It's 145,000 miles now. There's definitely some things wrong with it. I'll go over that with you. You know Walter Grimes, or if you're in any of the Facebook Mustang groups, you probably know that he ran a 9.99 and a stick shift 3.7 turbo, making the record for the quickest 3.7 stick shift. Congratulations, Walter. He wanted me to let everybody know that this would have happened about a year ago, but he had an issue where his pinky got cut off, and he had reattached, and then it medically had to be cut off again 5 months later. This was on his right hand, so he wasn't able to shift, so he wasn't really driving his car, doing that kind of fun stuff like that. He's still looking to go faster. 9.99 seconds though. I've been running stick shift Mustangs, V6 stick shift Mustangs, for years and years and years at the track, and I can tell you how difficult it is to get these things to shift gears. Any MT82 owner will tell you. Other stuff. It's not easy, man. That's a hell of a feat. It's one thing doing it in an auto, but to do that in a stick shift, that's really freaking impressive. Congratulations, Walter. Put all his mods in the description if you guys want to check that out and see what all he's got done to the car. Update for this car, 145,000 miles. There's definitely some stuff wrong with it. Go for that. I did a video at 100,000 miles, letting you guys know where I was at with everything. Everything was, for the most part, was pretty good. I think I just had a water pump replaced, which is really common on these cars if you're familiar with these vehicles. This exhaust leak is horrible. You can hear that right there. That's a leak from the passenger side header. Got a pretty big couple holes in the bottom of it. Sounds like shit, but I just found yesterday actually. I found a used BBK header for $200 on eBay, and it should be here Monday or Tuesday. So we'll slap it on. Hopefully, it'll take care of this exhaust leak. The car's going back together one piece at a time. So it's pretty rough on it. You see the hood, and that's pretty fucked up. Other issues here. Paint's fucked up right there. Paint's fucked up right there. Other than that, though, still dent in the back. Well, it's not bad. These headers were on my first black 3.7 Mustang. You guys have been following the channel for a long time. You remember that car. I took them sold them back to me. So this is the 3rd generation headers here. These things are so old. Other than the exhaust leak, there's a couple leaks. Thermostat housing's got a real small seep to it. The VCT seals are seep in oil. It's not really bad though. The car runs great. Driving though, I don't know if I did a video covering this since I did everything, but all the rear suspension is VMR. VMR is great. They make great stuff. It makes so much noise. I can't figure out what's doing it. I've had it checked multiple times. Everything's tight. It's just so clunky. Which, it's what you get though when you do those kind of mods to a car. It's going to happen. So I expected it. That's fine. I don't know if I mentioned that I had a VMR anti-roll bar installed. It was the final piece that I put on. It has the lower control arms, brackets, adjustable pan hard bar, upper control arm adjustable, and then the last thing I did was the VMR anti-roll bar. And so, dude, if you're gonna get this thing and you daily drive the car, I wouldn't recommend it, honestly. It's so stiff. I mean, any kind of uneven road or bumps and stuff like that, man, it just sucks to drive. This is what I'm talking about. This car sucks with this fucking anti-roll bar on it. VMR actually does recommend that you disconnect one of the links if you're going to drive it on the road every day because they can break. I haven't really ever seen it happen. I've talked to a lot of people. They've never had an issue with it, but it's just the drivability is so horrible. What upset me the most about doing all this, so I ran a 13.0 with this car on bone stock suspension. Not a single thing was done to this vehicle. Turns out the setup still doesn't work. So if there's more things I would have had to done, but I'm honestly, guys, I'm done with the drag racing and all that. It was fun while it lasted. I was probably the only car there running slower than 11 seconds when I went to the track. DA was crazy. It was like 95 degrees. And I ran like a mid 13, and that's just, that was hard to deal with. So I really want to get this car more road oriented, road course oriented. I've got a couple of friends that race Autobahn and America, other places like that in the Midwest, and they're having a lot of fun doing it. So I really want to move this car from a drag car, which is I don't even know why I did it as long as I did. It's silly, but move it to more cornering and handling setup. Not right away, over time, stuff like that. It's not my biggest hobby right now. After that day at the track, I kind of just lost interest, and now I do a fishing channel. I've always had a fishing channel. I never really talked about it. If you guys want to subscribe to that, I'll leave a link or put it up here somewhere in the video. It's this car. That's where this car is at. It's paid off. I'm gonna keep it. I love it. I don't see any reason to get rid of it. It's not my daily driver anymore. I have a 22 Ford Maverick, which I absolutely love. It's the best car I've ever owned. It's so tense on the shifts. Yeah, guys. Again, I just want to update y'all, let you know about Walter, let you know I'm okay, let you know my car's okay. Everything's great. I hope you guys are also doing well too. And those of you who've been subscribed for a long time, thank you. I'm sorry that I don't upload content anymore. Like I said, everything goes to my fishing channel mostly now. It's what I do on my weekends. I go fishing. So, yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I love you all. Peace. I like to tell people when I beat you, I was eating a cheeseburger at the same time. Don't you? Don't you? Oh, it's such a bummer, chef guy.